Follow the iconic smokestacks to San Antonio's premier lifestyle center. Open since 1998, Alamo Quarry Market is a 580,000 square foot open-air complex boasting some of the finest shopping, dining, and entertainment the city has to offer. A true Texas landmark, once was home to Alamo Cement Plant that helped build Texas for more than 100 years. Alamo Quarry Market has maintained and integrated some of the original structures of the factory at Regal 16-plex cinemas and is constructed around the original smokestacks. These smokestacks are a main focal point of the center. Shopping in San Antonio is festive, fun, and forever surprising with local gems across a diverse city where you're always just a shop away from exactly what you're looking for. Loucks Bootmaker, founded in 1883 by Sam Loucks, may be the most renowned cowboy bootmaker in the world. Alamo Quarry Market has a fabulous collection of fine and casual dining. There's cuisine for every palate. Moe's Irish Pub features a large menu that focuses on Irish-American influences. Moe's also carries a large line of craft, domestic, and imported beers and will feature regular live entertainment. Check movie times and route a map to Alamo Quarry on their bilingual website at quarrymarket.com. A landmark destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment, Alamo Quarry Market is the official best open-air shopping experience in Texas.